everyone! Now let's try to check the latest application of ice cream. Ice cream apps. icecreamapps.com. And this is all the applications of ice cream. The new one here is Image Candy, an online image editor by Ice Cream. So Image Candy is 100% free and easy to use online. So this is all the tools: image converter, resize image, compress image, remove background, so image to PDF, rotate image, flip image, crop image, and add text to your image. And you can add watermark to your image, meme generator, HEIC to JPEG, and the last one is video to GIF. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.